it's Ilene here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing my final birthday / anniversary giveaway entries into my challenge. This is going to be part 1 because it was just too much to put in one video. So for now, I'm going to be sharing with you the package I got from Maria. Her channel name is Maria Miscellany, and I will link her channel down below, guys. Maria does all sorts of crafty things. She's very into junk journaling, and she does so many creative junk journals. You guys have to go over and check out her channel. Before I share with you what she sent me, I just want to ask you to please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. Super excited. Super exciting, guys. So let's open this up, guys. Okay. Alright, guys, so there is something crazy going on in here, but we're gonna start with the card. And she put this really cute on the back here. It says, what here? Run, dance, play, and it's this cute little butterfly. And she kind of left it so I could use it. And she made me this gorgeous card, guys. There's fabric, there's some eyelash trim. Beautiful. Very sweet, Maria. Thank you so much. And here is her memorydex entry, guys. She says she's never done this before. I could tell it's so beautiful already. Here's her birthday entry for my memorydex, guys. This is so beautiful. She put some trim. This is so pretty on the outside. And she colored this in, or, oh my god, it's so pretty. I don't know if it's, she does get wallpaper a lot, guys, and does cool things with it. I'm not sure, Maria. This is beautiful. Beautiful. She has the words lovely and delight and this really cute dragonfly. And on the back, she has her info here. And okay, she says that it was decorated with a decoupage napkin. Wow, guys, this is with a napkin. It's gorgeous. Maria, I love it. She also sent me a ton of goodies, guys. This is so sweet. She sent me a bag tag, and that's a really cute owl. Butterfly stickers, and I know I'm getting a glare, but they're so pretty. And she wrapped this purple package up with this purple bow. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. She did not. She sent me a junk journal. Oh my god. Guys, this is awesome. I can't even. I've been wanting to make a junk journal again, and I'm going to. I'm going to be making a junk journal soon, but I have not had time because there's a lot of work that goes into this. And here's where she used some wallpaper on this outside. I gotta show you guys this. She says, this is a flowish junk journal. The pages are made out of wallpaper and loosely bound, so you can take it apart and use everything on your own project. Enjoy. Oh my god, out of wallpaper. I told you guys, she gets the most beautiful wallpaper. Now, I don't want to ruin it. I'm trying to see. I guess you just pull the bow. Okay, this is clipped on, guys. This is a paper clip rosette, and it has this beautiful lace trim. And look how gorgeous she made this. I love it. So this is the front, guys, and she gave me this beautiful applique doily type of thing. And she put some of this inside, these cute little pearls. This is a cute little wallpaper flower with the pretty little gem. I am so amazed by this. This is lovely. Look at this junk journal, guys. She included all this gorgeous paper and more paper. All these little tuck spots. Goodies on the way here. There's some cat stickers she knows I'll love. Some paper. The washi here. She put on these cute little clips here. Oh, that's on the washi. So these little clips with the string or ribbon. Some more stickers here. Some beautiful, beautiful wallpapers in this book. I can't get over this. I am so excited by this. She included some guest checks, a little hello tag. Over here, it's the to-do list, the unicorns. She has some more gorgeous papers here. And she has some sort of, I guess some sort of receipt type of thing for junk journaling paper. It's like stains here. She included these postcards. How funny is this? Housework can't kill you, but why take a chance? Adorable. Very cute. She sent me some music paper here. Another cute tag she created. And here she included a little piece of this lace trim. And she made me here a little embellished paper clip. Some more awesome paper. This paper's crazy. And here's even a piece, it looks like, of the wallpaper that she punched. That's awesome. These papers, purples. She stitched over here a little tag, and she has this, trim, this jean trim on it. This card to journal with says, girls just want to have fun. This is super cool, Maria. Really. This is a piece of wallpaper. Very nice. I never had wallpaper pieces. Some more stickers and embellishments. Look at all these papers, some more wallpaper. This is wallpaper here. So many crazy pieces. Oh, she made me a little envelope. And she put some playing cards. Adorable. I'm gonna have to put all this stuff back, but there's so much here I want to share with you guys. She made me another tag here with a pocket. These playing cards are very interesting. Very pretty. Another card here. There's the music paper. Cute little card here. Oh my gosh, you outdid yourself with this, Maria. Look at this wallpaper. It's so pretty. And she included some little mermaid paper here. Here's a tuck spot, and she made me another envelope in here with the wallpaper. It's really cool. There's something inside. How cute. She made these little flag banners that you could journal on. So much paper. There's more wallpaper. There's some regular paper. Here's another really cute embellished paper clip. Love it. She gave me some graph paper here. This is wallpaper. I love the way this feels. It's just really nice. Wallpaper upon wallpaper. And here's a cute little, oh, look at that. It's a little pad she made. She stitched it up. She made me a little pad and put this sticker on. She included another card here with the ice cream. More gems, more wallpaper. There is so much stuff in this book. Another embellished paper clip, guys. She really did a lot for me. I really appreciate this. Here's another page with paper, another mini envelope with some more wallpaper. She made a little booklet. This is adorable. A little booklet here out of the wallpaper. She included these stickers. Another envelope here. These are adorable, and in every one of them, she has some more goodies. Very, very sweet. Very cute. Some more pretty flower paper, some more letter stickers. So much stuff in this junk journal. It's amazing. Another mini envelope, a bigger envelope. That's so cute. I'm gonna have to look through all of this like 100 more times, but I'm just showing you guys a quick look because I just find this really, really generous. And that's the book. It's gorgeous. And here's one other little paper clip she made for me. This is an amazing book. There is so much stuff in here, guys. I am super excited. Thank you so much for everything, Maria. All right, guys, so that was the entry from Maria. I hope you guys enjoyed what I shared with you. I am super grateful for everything. I love the junk journal, and I really want to thank you. I'm going to be sharing the last few final entries in part 2, so stay tuned for that. The winner for the $50 PayPal card I'm going to be doing early next week, and yeah, I can't wait to give back to you guys for everything you have done to support me and my channel. So, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.